So we've got a special treat for you. Okay, we have a special treat for you because this next song, this is going to be our last song, and this next song is a little different from all the other songs we do because it's a rap. I know, we're doing a rap song, exactly. And we brought in a couple of guest rappers to do this rap for you. So, if you could please put your hands together for Granny E and Granny D.
Hey, how you doing all at school? Are you ready to learn about birds? I said, are you ready to learn about birds? Well, what makes a bird a bird? Well, we're going to find out. Repeat after me. I'm a bird, I'm a bird. Do you want to know why? Because I've got a beak and I know how to fly. I'm a bird, I've got feathers everywhere. Hollow bones keep me up in the air. That was great. That's your part in this rap. And let's put it together. And here
been a great audience. How about one big last round of applause for the Quercus Choir? Oh, thank you all so much. I hope you've listened to all of our songs today because they're all about science and nature and ways to protect our planet. And we grown-ups are trying to do what we can, but you kids need to also do what you can to help save our planet, keep it healthy, because it's the only planet we have. And we have to keep it healthy so you guys can all grow up and be healthy and become adults also, okay? So, good job, and give yourselves a hand for everybody who helped save the planet. That is so cool. Okay, now before we tell you to go, I want you to look to your teacher, and they're going to help you figure out how to get up and out of the auditorium in a safe way, okay? One last time, thank you from the Quercus Choir.